Hey guys, AB here from B&H. With the proliferation of compact wireless mic systems out there, it's sometimes difficult deciding which one is right for you. But one thing is for sure, if you can get the best bang for your buck, then you're certainly off to a great start. And that's where Hollyland's Lark 150 comes in. It's a cost-effective, ultra-portable system that provides all the extras like lav mics, cables, windscreens, and a carrying pouch, and it's perfect for videographers, mobile journalists, vloggers, or really any other content creator in need of an all-inclusive solution for recording to your camera, smartphone, audio recorder, or similar device with a 3.5mm input jack. There's some cool stuff going on here, so let's take a closer look. Hollyland has been making waves in the video market with products like their live streaming switchers, and now they're focusing their energies on audio-specific products like the Lark 150, which was designed to be an easy wireless mic solution straight out of the box, even for newbies. First off, you have the choice of single or dual transmitter sets, so you're not locked into buying more than you may actually need. A single set includes a clip-on transmitter with a built-in omnidirectional mic, which is great for run-and-gun situations. But you also get a lavalier mic with a windscreen, which I'm wearing right now, and that's well suited for situations where you'd prefer a less conspicuous setup or for times when you're shooting in windy conditions. And when it comes to the camera-mountable receiver, here's the great news. It features two independent channels, so you could easily expand a single transmitter set by adding an additional transmitter a la carte, thus giving you the ability to record two subjects at once, either in dual mono or independent stereo modes. Naturally, if you purchase the double transmitter set, you get two transmitters and the same two-channel receiver. Very cool. I mentioned ease of use earlier, and the Lark is truly a product that doesn't require a whole lot of technical expertise. Transmitters and receivers come in a transport case that automatically pairs them for you, and the same case utilizes a USB-C connection to fully charge those components in about 2.5 hours. The charging case also has double the battery life of the transmitter, which I believe is a great argument for purchasing the dual transmitter set, even if you're only recording one subject. Why? Two reasons. One, when your first transmitter runs out of juice, simply power up the second one that's already charged and keep shooting without much interruption. And two, having two transmitters also enables you to use the Lark 150's safety mode, which lets you record the second mic at a lower level on a separate track as a backup, which can be a lifesaver if the main track is either too loud or the audio was somehow compromised during recording. Now, while there's no way to control input gain on the transmitter, the receiver features multi-function knobs that give you more precise control over the 3.5mm headphone output, which you would use for real-time monitoring during recording, as well as the 3.5mm line output, which connects the Lark to an external camera, audio recorder, or whichever piece of gear you're using to capture your audio. What's more, the knobs are indented, so pressing them lets you either mute one or both transmitters, or choose between recording modes if you're using a two-transmitter setup. Some of the features you may find useful are as follows. The built-in omnidirectional mic on the transmitter is shock-mounted to minimize vibrations that could negatively affect your audio. The system also features noise cancellation DSP technology to keep the audio crisp and free from background distractions. Latency is less than 5 milliseconds, even at maximum line-of-sight operation of 328 feet. The color OLED display on the receiver is bright and crisp, making navigating the simple menu an easy task, even in dark spaces. The belt clip on the receiver can attach to a camera shoe mount. In addition to the charging case, you get coiled TRS and TRRS cables, a USB-C charging cable, furries, as well as a pouch to hold the entire system. I do wish that they had made the charging case a bit bigger so that it could accommodate the entire system and accessories, but everything is still pretty compact and easily transportable in a small compartment of a backpack or even a camera bag. Hollyland's Lark 150 is an easy-to-use, compact wireless mic system for a variety of users looking to capture audio for their productions. And while it may be more wallet-friendly than its competitors, it sounds good and gives you all the accessories you'd need to get recording right out of the box. You even get the choice of two colors, white or black. So if you want to learn more about this system and other Hollyland gear, visit bhphoto.com. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Once again, this is AB, and I'll see you next time. As well as a pouch to hold the entire system. I do wish that they had made... Oh my god, I'm gonna kill you. No!